your first day you free. The first day of training, introductory session, you free. I want you to know, say, you need better, internet said that. Into balance, so you okay, and then we continue like that.
Hello, Busianfo, Mr. Mango, Akwaba Fofoofo TV, so we're soon for Kwabi Chumesin here. Interview, where your interviewer you don't want to miss out. Gentleman, Sophia, and any barbecue train commando. I'm Mr. Alex, Minono Attribute in Common Data. Award this channel. We will be a person who said you repair phones, about a Android and iOS, and yet this interview is for you. And Bibia a year in regards to phone, a software and hardware, then this interview is for you. Mr. Alex Eba Betunebo no actually ni journey said your share in college na say. Now we will be our me regardless of your age. Who so how to repair phones, about a software and hardware now. Now Mr. Alex I give you out the details. Which to me akwa students are Omakwako Suyembi no bebrena ebedi adanse ye paa ye. Ai obeche ofiore no ba bebrena wankasa odonsa ebeye practicals ewo ne college na ochre how to repair phones no. College no oye bi wo Kumase, osa ye bi so ewo Accra. Menkasa pio no ba bigja ama Sophia na Sophia ene Mr. Alex Atwitwe Enkomo. Memo Renfi said this video is sponsored by Buy Sell Club. Into your beer or pese or start anything in regard to say oh Tonyema na waton dia, then I'll highly recommend say you become a member on Buy Sell Club. Bibabija ama Sophia, na Sophia and Mr. Alex Atwitwe Enkomo.
And then so nyanya then start up hustle. If you are bad medially performance so far. Nature would say mensa ni faso and ne barbecue enkomo. Meaning say you don't you know send the beer. Sinase nko baby na nunsu ni ntwitwe enkomo. Eja actually you know akwa eba Fofoofo.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a baby. Yentine boneso. So why wouldn't yenam libisa afefra wa hye yo mu mapase. Na ye tie for ni afefo nso esu bi efi.
Okay.
Ntini say nna no be kan say di.
Okay.
We be free akon. Onu ayi nhira kese pa.
Amen.
Okay. And see no medical kana be the fire.
Okay, maybe Alexander Amonsechi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alexander
Amonsechi. Yes.
Okay. Yes, and you be pay so the can be kakra fa ho. Asana ya to akoma so.
Okay, so Alexander Amonsechi and or the director of PDA Solutions Training Center.
Okay.
If I say me IT personnel and the back me aboa youth and say me equip them with some skills.
Okay.
And I shall see for almost 7 years in it. And he goes so yeah no takrakra. We think when they said it to me aboa youth environment paying for and will be our person share we entrepreneur, especially skill-based entrepreneurs who be on some junior building on the business and meet me inspire. Okay. Meet me aboa na share crime so no meet me a share jumanasi. You say the support be brave. Why you be paying now? Actually, so to be me and I decide that the sounds we are so for Lighthouse Chapel International.
Okay.
And see ministry working and so no, the count.
Now you show me your pan. You better to see me now. Say for Canadian some class and come.
Yeah, I mean, in a sense, you see, I think I'm going to say, if you see changing narrative,
okay.
Yeah, narrative in your person as a son, I say, intimate, I say, we are Christian and I'm a faith-based person. And now, as ordinary as you are, so we are African youth, you know, want to mean castle, nyame mau adwin bi anada yesu bi anantiase bi bitimi aboa wa brambo nti yanam sa adwuma ni akwanya nso sene be ya bitimi e bi ahya afufuru nkwan no mu se no nyame de bota bi mawa ye okwan bi wa bitimi afaso bitimi abode sade Nti mmoa na me wa any yeshia say nyame ya idi nkumi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Na yɛbɛsa atoa so. Yɛhwɛ mu nipa. Yɛnhyɛ da mu ɛwɔ sɛ wabɔ adwuma yi din.
Yeah.
Nanso yɛnhyɛ da mu ne tie ne ne nan.
Okay.
Yɛbɛpɛ sɛ wobɛma yɛ bɛyi bɛka ne
Brief. Okay, so PDA Solutions Training Center, formerly known as Fofoofo Solutions Center, PDA Solutions Training Center, a Jamaica, a trends and Juma. Yeah, the technology side, into a website building, a social media marketing, a graphic designing, and the major one. Yes, something more. Yes, I'm doing training a cell phone technician. Say, I a professional mobile phone repair service provider. I am only a friend of that cell phone technician. And more and the major one I demand no AMPP no yet tie into your demanding about say meeting me and do maybe a while meeting so Eddie Abobra. Sana PDA yading fan and I feel no quite say you provide services, but then you think honestly with me a cripple for.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you cast more your main aim as a battalion here, you want to say you want to equip and empower youth.
Yes.
And does it mean say your jumaya if Fakesena is about training?
Yes, I mean if I can say about training,
Okay.
though you provide services, but send me out be our baby be a training. I mean, and simply because of say, maybe the green and the more hormones and
Okay.
and do one almost person tech space in the newer technology field in media multi-building business and also but then only be or guide you man so or church room be a bit in your mom so as she will be as for themselves. It's a side service and we provide, you know. Me passionate for parents I will equip someone so that they are the kind of me I will be on their own so that they will not be at the mercy of anybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nti sisi a no yɛn fa ne sɛ nfa nto ho sɛ wɔ dwumadie bi aba a wopɛ sɛ woyɛ.
Yeah.
Nipakuo bi pɛ sɛ wotrini ɔmo ma ɔmo ehu 1 2 bi na obi pɛ sɛ yɛhu kwan a ɔbɛfa so a ɔno nso ba bɛka ho a ɔno na yɛ asɛm yɛmfa ne sɛ bɛka ne registration and the other things. How do you go by that?
Okay, to enroll in training courses, no, I think that they were online and in Yamia Daruma and now Fofoofo TV soon, you know. Anyone who goes on YouTube in about Yejuma that.
Okay.
So you just have to contact us, whether Facebook, we have a PDA Solutions Training on Google, all our contacts will come up. Even when you reach out to the Fofoofo TV platform, they will still get back to us. Until the hand say, send your WhatsApp and also the frame through your contacts network online, then we'll just attend to you. Now, and I feel because of training here with Masini Accra, and due to that, you know, and now anything they are open based on the location.
Okay.
Until you set a date we see for Accra, you set a date we see for Kumasi.
Okay.
Sani running, send a baby to me as seven. Youth name will be up as on so right into the text piece.
Okay. And then for that, I say, sanctify you.
Okay.
It might be say, and I'm as of Jumaya and okay, so and then they will be.
Yeah.
You better see the choir Jumadi, a chassis.
I think that by because of Totoa through ministry, we encounter one.
Okay.
So, Nipa be bring on about sorry, which will say they need a direction for their life, but then when a mom direction, we bring school near Jumanya. Why not? Extra my Juma plan for be a bit in your wall.
Okay.
So, she as a leader, a certain burden be bound me to help solve a certain need, meeting young woman, panity, and do a more so.
Okay.
Nti ɔmo a ɛyɛ afutuo ne yɛde ma ɔmo, ɔmo a ɛyɛ kasakyerɛ ne yɛde ma ɔmo, na afei nso ɔmo nso a etwa sɛ yɛtumi guide wɔn in taking certain decision and then wɔn life nso yɛde ma ɔmo. So when I saw these things, I said no, ɛnyɛ baako pɛ. Because nipa ne bɛba asɔre na so bɛto ɔfɔ no obi tua tight a efiri adwuma a wɔyɛ mu no obenya dan fasoɔ ne bi aba. It is interested. Ewo nipa na for born the title. If you interested, will be doing this kind of and it will be in welfare. So may na kwa say if as a good owner and I say good owner and pay attention to where people make their money from. Then you can put undue pressure on the person so for the because you don't even know. So now we need through them do many more exposing me to so many people. I realize that no. Send me money power with data. You need to give him more. Okay. So we shall pay attention to sources of income and more at the end of the day. Need to have when Panama and the Mahmoud so assume so through the ministry was when I have this burden and I saw that no, then let me help by say your best chance here with certain trainings be sometimes trainings need to just counseling and advice. Okay. Maybe some youth summit or something like that, maybe I won't teach any panel. But then the AECC I know practically how you can learn a trade and work with it. The Genesis so I started part-time ministry, entrepreneurship and idea. And sometimes to be honest with you, if you say, yeah, the things say, oh, 24 hours, if you say, with the way you know, how motivation I speak out so motivate me. But then in changing the narrative, you know, we have to move to the practicality by showing them how they can succeed in this ever-growing world, and especially in the tech space, you know, maybe say no, Africa, Nigeria, Nipa the brain tech managing alone. So how do we change? We have to come in with finding out with some knowledge in the idea be bit me abwa. So you so do not know Yamini Pama and the corner change. And the apostle Yamishal into me corner change and on also the way ye train or the titania to the titania knowledge, you know, and then the federal India. The federal policy and so cases and both Ghanaian and international way of training people in this tech space now. And the one. But the amount choose so phone. And as you see, and the amount phone about the money in some Juma, your trace and your repair and the donor. You probably doing so phone. It's true. We are telling your professionals, moment service here on the phone, so in case it says, yeah. And in every household, in every school, maybe I could be then almost everybody is using some. But then when a bit as servicing you amount, and pay attention, and through that, let me pay attention, let me focus on your building knowledge in that. Let me practicing your experience over years. Let me how successful one can become through service providing as a phone technician, and man, we shall with the training aspect part-time, and full time. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Kasafa, years.
Yes.
So we want to know how many years now?
I mean, even close to 7 years now.
Really?
Yes, close to 7 years now. Okay. Close to 7 years now. Yeah, close to 7 years now.
So, before we come back to the training aspect.
Yeah.
And you know, say every business deals with risk, challenges, and then a lot of things. The person a kukusori ebo which one?
A kukusori which one? I like that. You know, in every good business, it is normal to have problems.
Okay.
Problem being a challenge is the fan say, oh, a Jumano beach now. say we take a risk now take it. And then field in entrepreneurship in your friend calculated risk.
Okay.
Into one analyzing every say business win and PCB win. What finance the book ne pen at home, as a 7 car, as a 7 time, as a 7 location. I think about organizing, one planning, we think about marketing, we think about plan the first business meeting regional and national. Indeed, could we share see yes, if you are not a human, usually a human, na bibi baby, yeah, it's me, baby, 18 years, 2 years with Juma, now it be about one taking care of me, one taking note of me, with Juma now, we are not need your behavior. And so now the name of the Libyan or the Abana or Juma. But this has one pay attention to the baby really be everyone in a daily cost. And then with this field, in every tech field, attention is one key thing. We use attention of mess something up.
Okay.
Until a Jumano, yeah, it's a one thing because the bit Yamo and say, you will feel sad with a little mistake and that cost to and then now loss and then the book.
Okay.
Into 10 years, one thing called Adia William. So you handle it like we're handling an egg. Send a day, when you say, I don't know, my complacency beyond them and create more CDB. So that's how you take care of you build it. I mean, confidence so bad, so the whole lockdown on business progress and so bad, which affected human and up and down here, baby. I mean, Asia say, Sika, they said a human as a crown, a bingo. But when you scale or cacao and one is or the chassis, when you scale for radio advertisement, at least Bana, the Sunya Sika, Nanya Bana, the scaffold banner, at least a poster, a sheet, size the suit maybe. Now, the Emmanuel women stop your name on your walk a can fashion. The Moona, you may a crack, the point. And nothing can look down, I said, no, very long down. Even now, it is on location, but then we call it a Yellow be a management and after business be a also one of the downfalls I how to even rise up from that kind of a situation very tough. Never. Yeah.
What can COVID how it's affected the business? Are you saying event organizing and event planning and then some allocations and code, does it not affect your business?
Well, with the experience,
if you say you're training you Kumasi, you hear you bedroom and then put two. You've wasted your life. Is it not a challenge?
It is a challenge. The other thing is with experience, you know, as in managing that expectations.
Okay.
So sometimes with me as you say training, as an training. I remember my first training and the organizing back up and by. There was only one person who attended the training. And this lawyer education director.
Okay.
So about training, I mean my book banners, my book posters. But then we knew our own system, so we don't expect to be accepted right away.
Sure.
So that point, you know, and I would say Fofoofo. And then, you know, you are the organizing training in Kumasi or Accra. The minimum participants 2. And I'm a maximum participant as at now 10. So mean beyond NIPA meeting supervisor.
Okay.
Because of the duration that you use, you know. The organizing training, you will create the organizing as a time and favor participants now. Be end.
Okay.
But then you realize, okay, time we now, so you reschedule the training date, so that you get the people to come around. Okay. Yeah, and telling back when I say, most people, they say they will come back Kumasi. They probably say, oh, I can organize a training with Kumasi. Well, we have more advertisement online. These days, online space, you probably go into this. So, share registration, so you have to move by faith. Say the family, sometimes I don't know the people that I will meet, except those who like personally to meet, say they will meet me. Okay. But one of the challenges they say, because people have this mind, oh, maybe I'm a fraud, maybe I'm a scammers, and those type of things. So I don't accept payment till you come. Okay. So once you come, even the first day you can free. The first day of training, introductory session, you free. I want you to know, say, you made better, internet the same way. Into balance, so you care, then we continue like that. To be those, I mean, it's those pending challenges needed, and those event planning lapses, it's me back. But then with the experience, you just have to know how to manage it. And yes, I know they discourage you. But then, so far as a year and year away, then your people can also be. I mean, so it makes sure so that she shall not be beyond so I come out. Okay. Yes.
Okay. So still within the training section.
Yeah.
Now we can say about duration. It is what organizing events be the maximum and minimum duration I was spending with that group of people.
Okay. Training say around 2 weeks intensive.
Okay.
Yes, and running.
Whether you can afford or you can't afford.
I think those who join should must have it at the back of their mind that they can afford.
Okay.
Because a 2 weeks intensive, we are the only training center offer that period.
That's interesting. The person may invite her for an event, and I would want it to be like just 2 days.
Wow. So, for example, recently, Techno Office for sponsor will be by here for training.
Okay.
And the panel bar around said, you're training up. Days are not just 3 days. But then we'll feel the limited that. Into 3 days, you're training your own.
Okay.
And currently, yes, special or single training or individual courses. You will be to say 1 day intensive iOS masterclass.
Okay.
And only say you same the computer, Apple software management.
Okay.
Like you are working is an iOS masterclass, so anything Apple software repair 1 day.
Yeah. A further idea about what you really do.
Yes, or even if you don't have.
Okay.
It's 1 day intensive. Something must enter into your head. Okay. So now those options, no. To be honest, if you are given so the person back for 3 days, we know what we are coming to train the people. If there will be 3 days, we can only deal with you guys on Android. Okay. Android smartphones and maybe keypad repair training there, and only a software. If you're honest, and about computer and go and installation of files, how to use this, how to sign, and only be a short. Hardware and a time can be a week. And yes, idea. Who I get the crowd, then you can run faster. To the beginner there. With our 2 days, 1 day, 3 days duration courses in the beginner class, you can still enroll.
Okay. Okay. You were talking about the master class.
Yes.
It shows you have a lot of packages.
Yeah.
That's about this one.
I think so. The master class now, like what we are doing now is master class.
Okay.
If we are now a bit more about practicals. It's a master class session with full training. So full training in 2 weeks now.
Okay.
But then you sound so say Unia that year for 2 weeks. It means for 2 weeks in the class of this year and the other corner. But then you just want to specialize in a section of this technician field. The person is seeing phone software and only 3 days. The person is seeing Apple software and only a 1 day and a 2 days pay. The person is seeing hardware and I see the screen repair screen repair and maybe a day 1 day. So those are the options and also for individuals who are too busy. So the other man short, son with you one. But we understand class B and all to say.
Okay. And see to the next question. Say here for registration and core. We want to know the amounts.
Okay.
And then afterwards, we say if you have impade pamukran, you say the routine sound say repisa.
Okay.
So you pay an amount. After 8 years of scanning, you consult the sewing machine. The person who say with this kind of training, after the payment, will you still have to come with your own tools?
With your own tools to enroll in it. Okay, but that's fine. Sometimes with this training, the evidence is one of a time. And we impair this narrative whereby we better training. When you can be done and tools I use for repairing and to that training, I basic tools there.
Okay.
I took it's on the practicals now. You are basic tools on the practicals. I took make the training fees near packages. The package beyond tools are being. The mouth. This year, saying you should be the corner of the profession while with mass.
Okay. You see, it means the registration fee you are paying will cover up for the
tools. Yes, for the tools, yeah. So there are only basic tools, I'm only standard, I'm only so the basic ones here.
Okay. This has drawn my mind to say a large number of people, a club, a group, a school, come and take us to a 3-day section. When you say we are done with the training, we just want our people to know how to use them. So afterwards, you take your tools along with you.
Okay.
And so would there be a depreciation in the registration fee you are going to pay?
Yes, there will. Open tools, that is a training center now for tools to run on the individually come in the problem to some debate training. That's fine. We just arrange with you. In the end of the session, we see this near here. We only maybe be 400 cities.
Okay.
Because the tools aspect has been taken off. On that tools in the mom.
Okay.
Sana, and city.
Nala, if you are saying you take a number of people.
Yes.
See, we can't take like more than 500, getting to 1,000.
No. I mean, actually, now I do not have the capacity to take that huge numbers of people.
Okay, in batches.
In batches.
Fine. Okay, so within the 3 days in batches.
In batches.
Okay.
Yes, in batches. And better because in Sanijuma we are saying. Supervise so more and so you year. 1 year the help.
Okay.
And the help in a sense, you may be an effort learner. If you are outside Adiana, we want Adiano. It's a most young party for person.
Okay.
Because of UK. Large number of people, to say the mainstream, the food be free media, 1 be here, 1 be here, children, so and yes, I'm between the city.
Okay.
Yeah, and 1 hour practicals, and Tinality see a practicals a person. The challenges or more facing, Mama guide you and Mama correcting.
Okay.
And to get the meaning and our worship. And then I need me 500 meters, beginning one of already maybe. But I can't say, you know, one big Chiasi, I just supervise you. Things and the yard and I worship. India is when that now for that. Oh, now to for share. So the so see. I feel you want to Mama be now. So we are limited and our resources say one. It makes you so be a bit in practice with it. Send it be anybody say as soon as the kind one to the way we grieve.
India.
Yeah, the
You say we are taking or they are taking the training.
Yeah.
But you can say afterwards.
Yeah.
What are they going to achieve?
What are they going to achieve? Fantastic. So the objectives need to be number one, they are going to be able to master both hardware and software phone repairs.
Okay.
Yes, a man is phone technician, we say now, as a professional. And then number one. Because most people need hardware, they don't know software. They have learn both. Send there you can attain mastery, it's more working professional. Number three, send your meeting your show out to masses who be training now. You're the entrepreneurship session and so come as I'm free. Here, guide you. If you sounds one ball, contact of one of home spare parts, I need Juman. I'm not affiliated to him. But then we have discovered them saying no way.
Okay.
So we recommend them to all our trainees. The new company is saying we recommend you to create market for them because we are building them and we want them to get direct prices and materials to make media age. So that is number three. We be training we see in the area will be sending training center and do a professional per se you work on the phone and I only say questions about phone. Will be a contacted PD solutions beyond. Why will you train your lawyer? You who say we a branch or we a shop or we a representative of PD solutions, then yes, you're certified as a technician. It is who contacted me from Louisville. Then Casso on the can, money camera. None contact if you train that location. Yes, I said we have a guy there who can solve it for you.
Okay.
So we link our trainings to customers.
Okay.
Whenever they are available.
Okay.
The other thing is we say do so technician now. The be phone shop a person shop man. We do so a technician person in the we also put that vacancy on our alumni platform.
Okay.
The next one is yes, you are providing alumni group of technical support. And you provide technical support to every trainee. You training and interested in the if this is a long lasting relationship. Starting with this training. It will fail the next one. Challenge phones keep coming, new things keep coming, softwares keep coming. To a failed next one, challenge being a seniors or with the top platforms with the most active technician group meeting. The country you will be ordered. With the two people are there to help you out. We are there to assist you. Oh, Kalami went to a so to fear. Oh, okay, 2 years in like 2 for the bar. Yeah, that to tell 2 years in the way, so we are always in touch. Okay. We are always working together. So the benefits are more. And then the last one I'll say is you have at least 6 ways to make money as a phone technician.
Okay.
Yeah, so we show you these streams of income because more repairs in here just about say OTT will be a repair phones and only the low level of repairs. It's so free table so now computers which are the earphones. It's so free computer now we wrap into the accessories, we wrap into the spare parts business, we wrap into the sales of the phone itself. It's a whole lot of a big field that we win.
Okay.
That assistance that's it as and the can say with our experience you training say at least now you shouldn't make less than 100 cedis a day after passing through the training.
This will shift us to the next question.
Yeah.
As in you made mention of 6 steps we are on the business cars.
Yeah, these streams of income, yeah.
You're per se
Oh no, I mean that training.
It's just one.
Oh, just one. Oh, just one is like look me amazing.
Okay.
Maybe the first one is to, number one, to provide service as a hardware technician.
Okay.
So as a hardware technician, in a sense, is that your phone screen say it's what you fix it.
Okay.
Charging system say money in a hardware.
Okay.
It's what you fixing. Microphone and a mouthpiece say tools to fix and then you see to share Juma high on your hardware. That is one stream. You need to bring a more majority of repairers are around, but they are just doing hardware. So that's one stream of income. The second one is software.
Okay.
Things like unlocking, decoding, iCloud removal, bypass. Send your money so you another stream of income. Send you use other software tools. Send your use activity every new licenses of software tools, even for repairers or other technicians. And also the software, the second stream of income. And the third one, how to identify genuine phones from copy phones. Send it there with a phone dealer. You can be able to sell near a paper. So don't go to if let's say Samsung phone are moving the one and yet original Samsung phone.
Okay.
At least it will help in that regard, yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You can say, can you be sure I have one native?
Okay.
So, beautiful, what tea and come or per se, on so on day with you may be a send them out over to my cat.
I mean, only our family. So we are penny so yeah. The Aluciano, at least says something you want in 10 metro because of semi training in CTM. I had a professional short course.
Okay.
Now, Africa, I'll be here survive, I'm here, San Juma. And yet, India, I'll be see the beach here for the page. I say we be see the chin to page man, so things will need to be assisting why you can still survive. You must learn how to survive without your certificates. And then only I say we be don't limit yourself to one knowledge of professions or happen on you. So I say, because we focus TV 10 year, Bernard, machine coming up with content and possibly be wondering about several businesses. The Fofoofo businesses in one of the there's a side of the technician film, so about and nephew, seeing for humans and why humans and one bra. A certain science and you may be able to me about. Get yourself involved with the skill. And then only young assurance, you didn't know, saying, you put us over into the tech for learning the other part. You can try becoming a phone technician. By their people, why a professional technician? We are professional technician now. I mean, so many people who have passed through the training, are already engaged in their professions.
Okay.
Yes. By some of them, be over as only on the country, don't go for degree, pass it through. They are agricultural scientists, biomedical engineers, there are nurses, there are physician assistants. And yes, for the streets, so be now back training there. No, get yourself involved in something that is in demand. Indeed, when you say demand, now one tap into the knowledge of that thing, then you establish enough waiting. I'm building business from it because one building our business, no be building business. I said, we took that business, this one business, me like it me as a at any time. I was saying the general Juma, open and make me a fire. It is even if you are engaged in any profession as a banker, as a lawyer, as a doctor, whatever you are, still get something that you can do. Still get something that you can do. Yeah, we share Fofoofo TV, we share drop shipping, other mini things we say near we share BB. Nothing we share, and so send me a car about this phone that you prefer share BB at least. So that you don't end up with redundancy are coming. They are coming. They don't need any more mics. Okay, and in the first company, a free Christmas buyer is redundancy. In you, in coffee. spending scanning in your TV. This are came, but the building your home with technology skills and tech skills. It is happening. You are going to be transaction because you need to custom spending it in your cycle. When you are an entrepreneur, it become an entrepreneur, start something, don't lose hope. Never went into a buying should be the environment, just start something that's a dead. And when you're watching the narrative, by seeing it in your system, it in your information, we see once information being found you must take a decision and take an action. Because some of you watching maybe are not a bitter because one to be about, if father be about, be an inconvenience of the about. If we be about, also be about. If you are not finding a job, create a job. I mean, do something a bit in your own standing at home. Send it there. You can rely yourself being an insurance expert, whatever. But the human being they are there. So do something with the information I receive. Send it there at the end of the day. You can also build a meaningful life for yourself, even at your old age. Now, Yamiso and Samson so a bit bigger. Yeah, in Princess and now the person they catch one. So yes, in the modern there is more better days ahead than the wrong. But then they do better, and this way will be a yama they need better now. Yeah.
Mr. Alexander.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe I could be as part of this short interview.
Yeah.
You're per se, and I seeking a discount for our viewers.
Okay.
So it will be a viewer for Fofoofo.
Yeah.
Now I pass it here. So I want to invite you, or I want you to come and then help us with some trainings and co. Would there be a discount?
Well, we give discount here based on the Padodoa.
Okay.
I'm really interested for training. Okay. And he said, if we for say over training now, let's say we will arrange a nice discount for people. And send it over training that. Once we know that you are from Fofoofo, then we know that we treat you well. And a lot of your past students know this Fofoofo number.
Okay.
So when they come, we make sure that they have the right skills, the knowledge near the editing and moment who say what they actually watch, the authenticity and the experience or many. So we'll give discount to large groups of people. And we are more like 5, 10, or 5 years at 10 and above.
500.
500,000. Yeah, there'll be a discount.
Okay.
Yes, there'll be a discount.
Okay. So, bringing everything to a closure, we want to know location for this. Where can we actually locate you? Your share why you don't know where.
Okay. Yes, Accra training I said this last year. And TCC are now your King's Destiny Church or Ashoman.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, sure, the brother Reverend Richard and the apostle Dr. Franca. Yeah, me and the mother man space here. Me utilizing the kakraka, so they beat me a boy phenomenon so and ya baby. The bar, Quabinia Junction, and I even a Ashoman estate to see at this spot. I had a venue. You have that training person one. You have training because I have. In Kumasi, you have a Conman Franchu station, police station building in your. Yes, Conman Franchu station, police station, with a police station, one of the PD Solutions Training Center. Into 2 years, we see Penny, you work currently.
Okay.
Yeah, share other nations, other African nations. Na Yako, as we speak, we are venue be Liberia and Sierra Leone. I said before the year ends near the Konya, prepare youth never holding so. I can't have a chronic mass. I don't know, say, and then I'll be done off, and then I'll be done origin, and then I'll be bassy. Movement, the movement is too expensive, and moving all this luggage. Let me put the Maybe down on Castle, now embassy, now what your terms and conditions make you even have to remove there to train you guys.
Okay.
And not the other, but then, see, I can't come as a Hayana, you're managing a crack, and I'm the more then maybe a baby crime, maybe.
Okay. You see, I want my like physical location.
Yes.
You pay on social media. How will we locate?
Instagram at PDA Solutions, Facebook at PDA Solutions Center, covering the PDA Solutions Training Center. Yeah, all your social media handles, better. And here I am on TikTok. I'm sure TikTok being 3 months or 2 months ago. It's not even up to 2 months. Yeah, until you go TikTok, you start at PDA Solutions. I own, and you get to see your videos, your pictures, your training pictures, live pictures. Then online, I'll do your reviews. Even Fofoofo TV, there are people who have passed through due to Fofoofo reviews are there. No one will say, yeah, send your cancer, saying, yeah, no sabe pepe.
Okay. So, Mr. Alex,
Yes.
Yeah. So, am I saying? Yen young man more showing a fee. And how and I gave them my coin, am I discuss about saying, the promise as a fire. You be shut up.